Following the end of the German Fischfang operation on the 20th of February, the defensive arrangements around the Anziate Road involved the 3rd Division moving to the left to take over around 1,500 yards of the line previously held by America's 45th Division. Britain's 56th Division shifted to the right to relieve the 2nd Battalion of the 157th Regiment, which had been effectively cut off and was sheltering in caves to the west of the Anziate Road. On the night of the 21st of February, the 2nd 7th Queen's Regiment of the 56th Division's 169 Brigade reached the caves but were immediately attacked. The remnants of the 2nd Battalion escaped the encirclement on the 22nd of February after 7 days of almost continuous combat. Of the 225 men who got out, 90 were hospital cases. That night, the Queens divided into small groups to infiltrate their way back to the main 6 Corps line. It lost more than 80% of its strength in what is known as the Battle of the Caves. The war of attrition around the left shoulder of the salient continued, involving small groups of infiltrators and defenders. On the 25th of February, 56th Division reported that its 167 Brigade was at only 35% of effective strength, 168 Brigade at 50%, and 169 Brigade, which had seen no action before the 20th of February, was down to 45%. Attacks were also launched on the right shoulder held by 180th Infantry Regiment. Meanwhile, commander of German forces around the bridgehead, General Eberhard Mackensen, started planning for what would be the final attempt to smash 6 Corps. On the 22nd of February, Clark landed in the bridgehead and used the visit to replace General Lucas as 6 Corps commander by General Lucien Truscott. I told Lucas he had done a grand job, but that inasmuch as he was not in mental or physical condition to carry on as well as someone else, my course was clear. It was my duty to take him out, that I would make him my deputy. Clark and Lucas left the bridgehead together on the 23rd of February.